Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how you can connect your Google Analytics to your Merchant Center. So this is recommended if you are running a retail or an e-commerce website and wanted to start a Google AdWords strategy or Google AdWords campaign. So I assume in this tutorial that you already have a GA or Google Analytics and a Google Merchant Center. If you don't know what this is all about, I highly suggest that you check in my other tutorial on how you can sign up for Google Analytics and verify your website, also in the Google Merchant Center. So the Google Merchant Center serve as your kind of like a catalog if you are into a Facebook business thing, Facebook ads, then this is similar with the Commerce Manager. So yeah, it's basically we need to connect these tools to understand more the data and come up with a better strategy if this campaign needs to be paused or needs to tweak, needs to add more budget and stuff. So anyway, cut the thing. Let's just jump into the tutorial. So log into your GA account and then find this gear icon at the bottom part or admin section. And then you should be able to see these product links in here, or if you scroll down in the admin section, here are the leads or like the related products of Google, and one of that is the Merchant Center links. Or you can simply just go in here and find the Merchant Center links. So right now there's no any merchant links linked to the GA, and again you can even add more Merchant Center if you want to. So you click the choose account and pick the right Merchant Center or add more Merchant Center that you want to add in your GA or Google Analytics. If you didn't see the right merchant account, tell your colleague or go to the Merchant Center account and go into the click the gear icon and click the people and access, and then you add the right email address. So yeah, just do that to reflect the right Merchant Center in here. So this is the right Merchant Center. I'm gonna click on confirm and then next, and then yeah, I want it to be auto tagging. I don't want to do all the legwork. Click next and then click on submit. So link created. On the flip side, if you wanted to do in the Merchant Center way, you can also just click on the gear icon and find the section called apps and services. And right now, since we just added the Merchant Center, actually if you click like here, just it's already Google Analytics in here. So if you haven't done the configuration into your Google Analytics in here, you shouldn't you won't see this, but we already added it. That's why like it's basically linking or centralized together. The Google Ads as well, or the AdWords is already linked to our Merchant Center, and the business also, Google Business is already linked, and I also link the Shopify. Again, if you're running a CMS, if you use a CMS platform like Shopify and e-commerce, you just need to connect the application and it will do all the imports for you. You don't need to do it manually. All right. So yeah, that's how you do it. And I actually forgot as well. So I already connected the Merchant Center, but make sure that the other things as well are connected, like in here in the Merchant Center, I connected the Google AdWords and the Google Business, but in my analytics, they are not yet connected. So you just need to go into that Google AdWords, click on link, or if you go into the admin, so like we already connected the Merchant Center, but we haven't connected the AdWords. We haven't connected the Google, like some of the product links in Google. So let's connect the AdWords. You just click the link button again, and then you choose your AdWords account. This is the right AdWords, and then you click on confirm, click next, and then click again auto tagging, then next. And yeah, you should be good to go. So this is so important if you're running a Google AdWords. Make sure you do that before creating any campaigns. There's a more advanced way to work with the custom events and stuff and custom conversion, which we're gonna cover on the next tutorial.